Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Midwest Safety, and the title of it is "Woman Commits a Crime at the Movie Theater." You know, we gotta make sure we keep it a little friendly with the titles here. You know what I mean? So let's get into the video.
When a woman is caught pleasing herself after hours in a movie theater, officers deal with much more than they bargained for.
Is she talking to you?
She wasn't.
Oh, she was?
No, she wasn't.
Oh, okay. Ma'am, you gotta go. They don't want you here. You gotta go. You gotta go. You need an ambulance? Are you all right? What?
It's not your house.
Can I get an ambulance here for the female? She's just, I don't know, moaning. Ma'am, do you have a name? Can I get your name?
Do you know where you are right now? Okay, do you know how you got here? How are you? Where are you going? Where are you trying to get to?
What the hell? What? She laying down all day. She big chilling. That movie been over. Wow.
Okay. Where is home?
Do you have an ID on you?
Excuse me, I'm gonna go.
Where's home? Because right now we need to make sure that you get the help you need.
I'm fine. Excuse
Well,
me.
I need you to tell me where you live and who you are before I can let you go. Because I need to make sure that you can take care of yourself.
I'm very well careful. Please don't touch me. Please don't touch me.
I'm not trying to
Please don't
touch you.
me.
I'm not trying to touch you, but I'm going to go right here because we're going to wait until
If
the
we can
paramedics
go,
come.
I don't need a paramedic.
We just want you to talk to them really quick, just to make sure that you're okay.
I'm about to, let me call the real police then.
I am the real police. You can call them. That's fine.
Please don't touch me.
I'm not trying to touch you.
You're lifting your arm up as if you want to stop me physically.
I do because I
not
need to
touch
make sure
me.
that you're safe.
I am safe. I'm a grown-ass woman, and I'm in my husband's theater.
Your husband's theater?
Who owns this theater?
I don't know, the Marcus family?
Oh, yeah, right. Excuse
Okay.
me.
Do you even know where you are?
Excuse me.
Do you know what city you're in?
Excuse me.
Okay. We gotta wait.
Do not touch me.
Then don't walk into me.
Do not touch me. You're standing in front of me. Do not touch me. Or you in this entire law, fake ass law uniform will be jobless tomorrow. Do not touch me.
Okay.
Let me walk to where the light is.
Well, I need to
Or you
know
can go talk
who
to
you are
him.
and make
You don't
sure
need
that
to
you're
know
fine.
anything. You know what? Do not
Because you're
touch
pleasing
me.
yourself. We're gonna
Do
wait.
not touch me.
I need to know who you are.
You don't need to know anything.
Because they don't want you on this property anymore.
I will leave.
What's up with what's up with them eyelashes though? Really? Like, really? I know we ain't even got nothing going on with this, but really the eyelashes is just, who wakes up and be like, yo, I'm gonna put on these freaking wings, you know what I'm saying? These bird wings on my eyelids. Like, who wakes up and wants to, like, really? But either way it goes, I don't know what she on, because she is delusional. You know what I mean? She was big chilling, feet kicked up, legs spread back, like she was big chilling. You hear me? But I don't think this is gonna turn out the way she thinks it's gonna turn out.
Property. Why wait until I leave and tell me I have to leave?
You will be trespassed from the property. So I need to know who you are. Yes.
That makes no sense. Wouldn't it be trespassing if I come back to the property?
Yes.
So I
So I
can
need to know
leave
who
and
you
never
are.
come back. No,
Exactly.
you don't.
Yes, I do.
Excuse me, sir. Can we speak out here where the light is?
That's
Or
fine.
you want to talk in a dark alley like a weirdo?
We could talk over here. I'm just happy that you're willing to talk with me this
I
time.
don't want to talk with you. You tried to force me to talk with you yesterday, and I didn't want to.
No, and I get it. And I
Why
let
do you
you
want
go.
to talk to me so bad?
Because now, this is the second time we've been out here.
Where were
Okay.
we yesterday?
You hear the movie is done. Everyone has
Where
left.
were we yesterday?
We were over at the Applebee's.
And what was the Applebee's complaint?
They
Nothing
complained
at
here.
all.
They complained here because you're doing the same exact thing.
What am I doing?
You're here past the movie. Everyone's gone. It's done.
Okay.
You're here by
And I'll
yourself.
leave now.
You're pleasing
I'm
yourself
not here
in the
by
movie
myself,
theater.
and I'm not pleasing
Okay.
myself.
Yes, you were.
Who saw
It's
me
all
pleasing
on body
myself?
camera. I did.
Oh,
She did.
so you're recording photography? Is that something
So
you
you're
do
saying
often?
that you're recording to my body camera?
No. Why are you recording me without my permission?
Because I have to deal with you.
No, you don't have to do anything. You want to deal with me. That's why you harassed me
I
yesterday.
don't want to deal with you.
So go up there and talk to the person I was with.
I did.
And what did they say?
They said they want you trespassed.
Who was I with?
You're with management.
No, I
They wanted
weren't.
you
No, I
gone.
weren't.
Okay. I need your ID.
I don't have an ID.
Okay, I need your name.
You don't need to know my name.
I do, because you can go to jail if you don't. So here's
Take me to jail.
here's the
Take me to
options
jail.
here.
I
Here's the
wanna go to
options
jail.
here.
Arrest me.
Okay. I need to make sure that you're able to care for
This
yourself.
beautiful ass bracelet that my
I
husband
need to make
got.
sure that you're able to care for
So
yourself.
arrest me. I
Okay,
wanna
because
go to
last
jail.
time you wouldn't talk to me,
I
so
want
I
to go
didn't
to
know if
jail. Take me to jail.
you want to go to jail.
What is your name? What is your name? Daniel who?
It's just Danny. He's the manager.
He's just Danny, but he got a job here.
He does.
So Danny, no last name, works
I'm
here.
Alex. What's your name?
Don't worry, you know my name, don't you?
I don't know you. That's what we need to. We just want to make sure that you're
I'm
okay.
fine. I'm a
If you
well-grown
answer my
woman saying
questions
that I'm
appropriately, you
fine.
can leave out of here.
So
you won't be
who's
arrested.
going to arrest me?
Nothing's going to happen.
What questions do you need to know? I said
I
I'm
need to know
fine
your
and I'm
name.
going home.
I need to know your name so that I know that you know your name. What's your name?
Am I?
I'm asking you. I mean, I just told you my name. Can you tell me your name? I'm
It's
Alex.
T.
Stone. What is it?
What's his name?
What's your name? You talk
This
to
is
me.
the person that called you, right?
Yeah,
So
because he was
what's his
concerned that
name?
you were not acting normal and you weren't leaving
What's
the theater when it's
normal? What is
appropriate.
normal?
You were supposed to leave the theater when the movie's done. You were still there. They asked you nicely to leave. You didn't want to leave. So that's trespassing.
When did they ask me nicely to leave? This is the first time hearing of this. I was
Okay, well, I'm just informing you
still,
now. So
I
now
was
you
still
understand.
marinating on the movie.
Now
That
you
seemed like it had
understand
something to
why
do with
we're
my
here.
life.
Okay.
I just enjoyed the movie. That's all.
Okay. We just want to make sure you're okay.
I watched Scream. It's March 12th,
Okay.
past midnight.
Okay.
But my name you know already, and I need to know his name so that he no longer is a manager here, and you as well.
What's
It's
your
here.
husband's name?
My husband's name is. Does that? Am I fake married?
Okay. Is your husband here today?
He is, but he's still in the movie theater.
There's nobody in the theater.
Okay,
So you go home?
maybe.
Where do you live?
I live close by, enough to call a lift and make it home like I'm.
Wait, hold on. She says she married and the husband is still in the movie theater and there's nobody in the movie theater? Cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs, man. She is a nut job. That's what she is.
About to do what I did yesterday when he called a whole entourage. For what?
Okay. Because see, if you don't answer the questions appropriately with the answers we expect, we kind of assume that
So
you're
how
kind
do
of
you
altered.
just have expectations of a person? I don't know you. You don't know me. How do you expect me to say anything? You don't know what's
If
going to
I
come out of my
ask you
mouth.
your name, you're just, I'm so-and-so. Whatever it is your name is. Why are you giving me such a difficult time? We're just trying to make sure that you're mentally
I said I'm mentally
aware of your
fine and I'm
situation, what's
okay.
going on.
What is the situation?
You're trespassing in the movie theater. We're just asking you politely to leave. But
And
you
I'm
keep,
leaving.
You keep giving us a circle thing. We
I'm
just want to make sure you're going to be
did I-
okay.
I
If you
just
leave
said
out
I
of
was
here
leaving.
and something happens, you run across Randall Road and get hit by a car because you're not
Then you'll
acting
be
rational.
right here and ready to cross the street and
See what I'm saying? We just want to make sure you're going to be okay. And you're
I'm
telling me that
fine.
your husband's here, but he is not.
okay. I'm
Okay?
fine.
So
He
that's
probably-
not normal. You're
Okay.
hallucinating somebody was here or somebody left and you didn't realize that.
That's a big word.
Okay, that's what we're trying to figure out. If everything's okay,
Hallucinating
or
means what?
why do you have to
What
be
is
so?
hallucinating?
What's it?
What is hallucinating? What's the definition?
You're thinking that something's there but is not.
And that's
said
what
that
I,
you were
well,
in the
can you
theater with your
hallucinate
husband.
when I leave off the door, please?
You're saying that you were here with your husband and he is not.
Who is not?
Your husband.
What? Who is he?
Whoever you said that you were with. You want to go to the hospital and figure something out?
Do I look like I want to go to the hospital?
I know you don't.
I don't
Okay.
need medical attention. When you in the hospital, don't you get
That you're not
to
answering
sign out by
questions
yourself?
appropriately. That's
What is
I'm saying.
appropriate?
Your
Who-
name.
Appropriate to
I've asked
who?
you your name several times. You keep refusing. That's not appropriate.
Are you a police officer?
No, but I'm just trying to get
Then I don't
random
have to tell you
information.
anything. I don't have to tell you my first name. I spoke. I told you my name. I told you what day it is. I told you
Okay.
what movie I saw. I told you what time the movie ended, and
Okay.
I told you that I was working, which is why I stayed a little bit longer.
Before she wouldn't say a word.
Okay.
Yesterday too, I tried talking to her,
Why?
you know,
Why?
nicely, but
combative at this point.
We'll handle it on our end here.
All right.
It sounds like
Thanks, guys.
for your end.
Okay.
Okay. So you guys want her trespass, correct? Okay.
ma'am, they want you trespassing the property,
You
so I
can call
do
me
need
by
your
my
name.
business name. It's Sweet Tea. If Sweet Tea comes here again, then you can trespass me off the property. Until then,
Sweet tea.
Sweet Tea, as if it's the drink. Person on call harassing me.
I'm not trying to harass you. It's just you're doing actions to get called
What
police on.
actions? Okay, so you're here. This is your
I'm done
big
talking.
break.
702 on 2.
Oh, now you're done talking.
Name.
You begged me to talk to
DOB.
you yesterday, please.
If you would just give me your name, this would be a lot.
I just
it
gave
would be
you
done
my
a lot
name.
quicker. No, you didn't. You said your name is Sweet Tea, which is a nickname.
That's a record label name.
Okay. And you said your address. So
gave
it's
you the
everything
address.
but your name. So what is your name, and then I can get you out of here.
Like your government name that's on your ID.
If you have your ID, that
I
would
don't
work
have
a lot
my
quicker.
ID.
Okay, then what's your name? Your real
I just
name?
gave you
What
my
is the
name and I
name
gave you
on
my
your-
address, so if I ever come back here, you'll know. So what's next? You need my name? I was told not to give my government name because you already know it.
I don't know your government name, that's why I'm asking. So if you gave me your name, this would expedite the process. So what is your government name?
What's your government name?
Dominic.
Dominic?
Yes.
What's your last name?
I don't have to tell you that, but you have to tell me your name. Okay? Otherwise, we'll stand here. That's fine. We'll stand here. That's
We can
fine.
stand here
We'll wait,
all
and then
day.
if I can't find it, then you're coming with
Somebody that
me.
doesn't want me on the property, you sure want me here. Why, Dominic?
Because I have to trespass you.
If I come back here, this guy will remember. I promise you. So, if I tell you my name, will you leave me alone?
Yeah, that's the whole point.
Hey, my boy in the corner, he lit, man. My boy right here, my boy lit, man. He chilling, big chilling. Overtime, baby. Overtime. Gotta pay them bills, you hear me? Overtime, man. That's what he doing, man.
I just need your name.
Already know my name. This is so funny.
I'm gonna check the attached person on the call and then see if that happens.
We just need your name, your actual. Yeah, it's really not worth it when all we just need is your name. All they're asking is that you just don't come back here, and we just have to give you a piece of paper that says that.
What's your name? This is your last name. If you don't tell me, you're being arrested.
Alright, wait, can you wait until my ride get here?
No, you need to tell me right now. What's your name?
Put my phone in my bag.
It'll be in there. Do you have anything on you they shouldn't have?
Wait, can you like adjust it on my wrist?
Yeah, it's nice and loose.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. They're not meant to be comfortable. So
Okay,
I can't just do it.
Yeah. Do you have anything on you that I need to know about? Nothing that's gonna stab me, stick me, poke me?
Get on my shit, bro. What's wrong with you?
He's just making sure there's nothing in there.
No, bro, he's going through my You got the name off the card. Put my down, bro, for my husband. Do that to your ass, and I don't get no how you feel.
Well, if you would have told me your name, I wouldn't have.
You ain't gotta go through my no more. You saw the name on the card. You we need to do your ass, get out my bro. Put my phone in my bag.
It's going in there.
Put it in there now. Don't tell me it's going in there. Put my in there.
All right, we're gonna leave this here. We'll get it
No,
later.
the man, he better.
All right, we're gonna go.
I'm not going
We're gonna
nowhere.
take you to your car, or to my car. Let's go.
Put it in there neatly. Don't be swimming my around. I ain't touch nothing that belong to you. Bring my stuff and
Yep,
with
let's
some
go.
respect.
Let's go. I'm not gonna hit you.
Bro,
Let's
because
go.
I swear to God.
Let's go.
I'm telling you right now,
Let's
bro.
go.
I'm telling you right now. You hit me. Bump me with that bag again, bro. Bro, get his hand off of me.
Off of where?
Get his hand off me. You,
Okay. Are you okay if I hold you?
You hold me.
Okay.
Get his
Okay.
hand off of me.
Okay.
bro.
Okay. He's off. Can we go to this car right here?
Everything in my bag gotta be in there when I get back to it.
We're gonna stay on the sidewalk right here. We're just gonna go to the back
What
door right
car?
here. For this one right here.
His car.
Yes, his car.
You put me in. Don't let him put me in. Cause
I got
I'm gonna hit my stomach and I'm gonna have a problem.
Okay,
How
go
you
ahead.
doing this shit?
Sit down. Just sit down.
Sweet Tea, officially known as Talisha, was charged with resisting obstructing.
Sweet Tea. Oh my God, bro. What kind of name? Shit, yo, boy.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.